Hello everyone. So today we'll be reading about a new ultra-long acting anti-IL-5 monoclonal antibody. So imagine if you could manage severe eosinophilic asthma with just 2 injections round the ear. Does it sound futuristic? So today we'll be diving into Depemokimab, an ultra-long acting anti-IL-5 biologic which might just change how we approach severe asthma management. So this is a recently published in the NEGM, the SWIFT 1 and the SWIFT 2 trials, which have placed Depemokimab in the spotlight. So Depemokimab is basically an ultra-long acting biologic agent, which has a very high affinity to bind to interleukin 5 and thus decrease the eosinophilic recruitment and eosinophilic activity. So there is a SWIFT 1 and SWIFT 2 trial, which are phase 3A trial, and they basically saw the efficacy and the safety of Depemokimab. It was an international randomized double-blind placebo-controlled study. So they basically enrolled 762 patients, adolescents or adults. Majority of them were adults only. These patients were severe asthma with high eosinophilic counts, and they were having either 2 or more exacerbation in the past year, despite getting treatment with medium or high dose inhaled glucocorticoids. So they were randomized into 2 groups, Depemokimab and placebo, and they were given Depemokimab in the dose of 100 mg twice an year, that is at first week or maybe day 0, and then at the sixth month or 26 week. So the primary endpoint that were analyzed in these trial was analyzed rate of exacerbation over 52 weeks in both the SWIFT 1 as well as in SWIFT 2. The rate of exacerbation was relatively low in Depemokimab as compared to the placebo. So in SWIFT 1, the rate was 0.46 in Depemokimab as compared to 1.11 of placebo, and in SWIFT 2, the rate was 0.56 as compared to the 1.08 of placebo. Coming to the safety, so the percentage of patients developing any adverse event was almost similar in Depemokimab and placebo, both the arms. And there were actually no deaths or no serious adverse events with Depemokimab that were reported. So, summarizing all, Depemokimab is an ultra-long acting anti-IL-5 monoclonal antibody. Twice yearly dosing is there, usually preferred in severe eosinophilic asthma patients. It is totally safe. It causes sustained eosinophil suppression. The 2 identical phase 3 trials, which are landmark for it, are SWIFT 1 and 2. The dose which is given is 100 mg subcutaneously at week 0 and 26. Thank you. If you like the content, please share and subscribe the channel for more videos.